Yeah, that's how I used to pace back and forth after going off on my manager the day before, worried about my job. All right. Or even better than that, that's how I used to pace back and forth when it was the day of closing and the buyer or seller decided not to answer the phone. Okay. I've had many of those. So today's video is I want to share with you how network marketing changed my life. Network marketing is a from home business. It's like a business where you network with people you know, people in your church, people in your bowling league, you know, your family. That's what network marketing is. So, I just want you to drop a fire emoji in the comment section right now only if you have ever shared or recommended a restaurant or recommended a club, some kind of, sorority or some kind of bowling league club, right? Or book club, drop a fire in the emoji if you have, because that's what network marketing is as well. You're basically recommending products and you get paid for it. So that's the difference. You're not getting paid when you do it for a bowling league or, normal stuff that we all do every day. So, I just, watch this video until the end because I'm going to share with you the opportunity. But what I want to say before I get to that is, can you imagine waking up every single day and looking at your phone and you've made $50 or $100 or $500 while you were sleeping? Have you had that feeling yet? All right. Or even better, imagine that you joined a network marketing company and every single month consistently after joining, your car note or your home mortgage was paid for from the results of the network marketing company. Now, that is what happened for me. That is what happened for me. And, people who know me, I go hard on myself a lot. Nothing is ever enough. I always feel like I could have did better. But, when I sat back and reflected on my 2023, that's kind of a big deal. Getting your mortgage and your car note paid every single month outside of your primary income, that's kind of a big deal. So that's another reason I want to share with you how network marketing has changed my life. All right, I could really go on and on about how network marketing has changed my life for the better, but I really want to get to the nitty gritty, get to the point so that you can get started ASAP. Now, basically, most network marketing companies, they may charge a high cost for you to even gain access and join, right? Or some of the network marketing companies require you to buy all sorts of expensive products every single month, or they might even have an expensive fee every single month for you to join. But let me just tell you, the network marketing company that I'm going to recommend for 2024, and especially for beginners, is LiveGood. LiveGood does not have any huge cost. It's only $9.95 a month, right? Or you can pay $99 for the whole 12 months. Right? You get a discount if you pay that way. And they have 75% off discount health and wellness products. So, this network marketing company has products that we all could use, that we all need to feel better and to look better. Right? And so, that's why I'm recommending LiveGood. Like I said, ever since I joined, it has paid my house note or my car note every single month on a consistent basis. The fees are low. It's a large group of, people from all walks of life. And, it's changed my life. So that's why I want to share it with you. If you're looking for an amazing network marketing opportunity for 2024, if you want something that is really beginner friendly, if you want to be able to sell something outside of your 9-to-5 so that you can have some sort of income coming in, this is the opportunity for you. So tell me, which one of these reasons resonates with you most? Is it the waking up every day, having, making $50 or $100 while you slept? Or is it paying your car note or your mortgage every single month consistently with network marketing and income outside of your job? Let me know in the comment section. So that's it. I'm Katina. Thanks for watching this video. Take care, and I will see you on the other side.